Hello boys and girls, welcome to Mrs. Bandu's Math Movies. This is for Course 2, Lesson 4-2, using number sense to solve equations. Here we're going to be solving one-step equations using substitution, mental math, and estimation. Okay, so we do have a few vocab terms. Some of them you'll be familiar with, maybe others you will not. First of all, we should all know what an equation is. An equation is a mathematical sentence with an equal sign. Okay, that's how it differs from an expression. An expression does not have an equal sign in it, but an equation does. That's the main difference between the two. So you do want to keep those straight in your head. An open sentence is an equation with one or more variables. It's open because at least when you start out, you do not know the value of the variable, so it's considered to be an open sentence. And a solution of an equation is a value for a variable that makes an equation true. Okay, so when we talk about solutions in math, we talk about things that make something true. Okay? All right, so those are your three terms: equation, open sentence, and solution or solution of an equation, if you want to think of that. Usually we just say solution though. Okay, let's look at our examples here. Solving equations using substitution. Find the solution of h minus 18 equals 54 for the numbers 3, 36, 62, and 72. You can test each number by substituting for h in the equation. Okay, so for our first one, we'll substitute in 3 for h. Okay, so 3 minus 18 is negative 15. So negative 15 does not equal 54. So this is a false statement here because it says equals. Let's try this one. 36 minus 18 equals 54. 18 equals 54. This again is a false statement. So neither 3 nor 36 is a solution. Let's try this one. 62 minus 18 equals 54. And this 62 minus 18 is 44. 44 equals 54 is, again, a false statement. So again, 62 is not a solution. Finally, when I get to 72, 72 minus 18 is 54, and 54 is equal to 54. So this is a true statement. Since the equation h minus 18 equals 54 is true when you substitute 72 for h, the solution is 72. Okay, I could have probably filled that in a little bit better, but since the equation is true, when you substitute 72 for h, the solution is true. Probably shouldn't have stuck that in there, but the idea is this is the one that worked. Okay, you have a couple of quick checks here. I'll go on to the next example. Remember, you can either pause here and come back and do your quick check and do the quick check right now, or just continue with me and come back and finish your quick checks at the end. All right, using mental math. Use mental math to solve each equation. S minus 9 equals 5. And this is basically what you think. What you think is what it says. What number minus 9 equals 5? Okay, most of us know that I can do the inverse operation. 9 plus 5, that gives me 14. Since 14 minus 9 equals 5, S is equal to 14. Okay, again, this is using mental math. 4z equals 28. What you think, what number times, remember 4z means, what number times 4 equals 28? Since 7 times 4 equals 28, z is equal to 7. And finally, we have an estimating question. The weight of a packing crate is 14.65 pounds. The crate, and its contents together weigh 85.21 pounds. Which is the best estimate of the weight of the contents? And it gives us choices A, B, C, and D. I'm not going to read those to you. You can see them there. But basically what we want to do is come up with an equation. So the weight of the crate plus the weight of the contents should equal the total weight. So let C equal the weight of the contents. So I'm going to go and piece together what this with the numbers. So 14.65 plus C equals 85.21, the total weight. Okay, and so this is what I should come up with. Choose compatible numbers. 14.65 is about 15 and 85.21 is about 85. So 15 plus C equals 85. What number added to 15 is 85? Use mental math. That's fairly easy, I think. If not, remember you can always just check it here on the side, use the inverse operation, and you get 70. So the contents of the crate will weigh about 70 pounds. So the correct answer here is choice A. All right, there are a couple of more, questions 2 and 3, quick checks to complete, so please have those ready. Bring in any questions with you, and I look forward to seeing you in class. Until then, bye.